Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel on home brewing. I make beer. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of the 5 episodes that I'll be releasing in this series. I will still be releasing my brew day videos, but here you can watch all the episodes or watch only one that you need information on. In the first episode, I'll introduce you to the basics of home brewing. We'll talk about what home brewing is, why you should brew your own beer, the basic equipment you need to get started, and the different styles of beer you can brew. In the second episode, we'll go through the brewing process step by step. We'll talk about steeping the grains, boiling the wort, adding hops, chilling the wort, and pitching the yeast. I'll show you how to brew using extracts and all grain method, the method that I currently use. In the third episode, we'll talk about fermentation and conditioning. We'll talk about how fermentation works, how to monitor your fermentation, and how to condition your beer. In episode 4, we'll talk about troubleshooting and tasting your beer. We'll talk about common brewing problems and how to solve them, and we'll also talk about how to evaluate your beer. And then the 5th and final episode, we'll talk about kegging and bottling your beer. We'll talk about the pros and cons of each method, and we'll show you how to do both. I'm really excited about doing this series, and I hope you are too. If you're interested in learning how to brew your own beer, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of the episodes. I'll be releasing a new episode every week, and I can't wait to teach you guys how to brew your own delicious beer at home. Cheers.